Hello, my name's Simon Maitland and I organise the Lotus Seven Club track days with help from Dave Rothwell and James Batchelor. We run 8 to 10 track days every summer, visiting popular UK circuits including Brands Hatch, Castle Combe, Donington, Snetterton, Cadwell Park, Croft, Anglesey and other UK circuits. Our track days are for club members only, driving Lotus 7 and Caterham cars only, and they're a great day out for like-minded Caterham owners with their cars. They're non-competitive events. Overtaking is therefore on the straights only, with consent of the driver being overtaken. Overtaking is not allowed in the braking zones or the corners. So you can enjoy trying out your Caterham in a relatively safe environment. And our track days also give you a chance to see how fantastic Caterhams are to drive on a racetrack. We operate our buddy system to link up less experienced drivers with experienced drivers. Instructors are also provided at no extra cost and are available to book on the day on a first come, first served basis. We use only experienced, professional, ARDS licensed instructors. Now I'd like to introduce you to Cadwell Park. Cadwell Park's a fabulous racetrack and it's a very popular circuit with our members. Cadwell Park is very well run by MSV, which is Motorsport Vision, and is located in Lincolnshire, 5 miles south of Louth. The circuit is 2.2 miles long, winding through open parkland on the side of the hill. It's a fabulous circuit going up and down the hill with some fast straights and quick, exciting corners and some twisty, slower corners. Good food is available in the restaurant cafe. Toilets are in the cafe and up the hill by the circuit office. As you are entering the circuit, the Paddock Area is to the right side of the circuit office. Noise testing is in the scrutineering garage at the bottom of the Paddock Area. The static noise test limit is 105 decibels. The assembly area is below the Paddock Area and to the right of the cafe. Registration and briefings take place online or in the cafe. Fuel is available at lunchtime and fuel is located 50 yards above the circuit office. All those who book the Lotus 7 Club track day will receive an email about 10 days before the event, including our final instructions. Our final instructions tell you everything you need to know about the event, including how to get there, the rules for the day, safety requirements, timetables, etc. Now, to give you a feeling for the circuit, I'm going to show you a video of me driving at our 2020 Cadwell Park track day with one of our instructors in the car with me. I'm not a racing driver or an instructor. This video is not instructing you on how to drive the circuit, but I hope this video gives you a chance to familiarise yourself with the circuit. You can see me leaving the paddock and heading down to the assembly area. If you have an instructor booked, you'll meet him on the right-hand side of the assembly area. The marshal at the end of the assembly area then waves you onto the circuit entry. And there's another marshal at the bottom of the circuit entry road, and he'll wave me onto the circuit when it's safe and no cars are coming. I take it steady on my first lap to let the engine, brakes and tyres warm up and to let the driver warm up. You will also notice the cones on the side of the circuit. The larger yellow cones are the suggested turn-in points. The orange cones on the inside of the corners are the suggested apex. The turn-in cones and the apex cones are often later than you expect them to be. Overtaking at Cadwell Park is only on the left side. You'll see me indicating to let cars pass me. I give them plenty of room. I back off the gas a touch just to let them past. You'll see I start to go faster after the first lap when the car's warmed up. This circuit is really fun to drive and you'll enjoy yourself here. And at the end of the session, or after 15 or 20 minutes, I slow down towards the end of the lap to let the car cool down. I indicate and I take the circuit exit road. I return to the paddock slowly, following this route. If you want to talk to me about our club track days or track day preparation, email me with your phone number and I'll call you for a chat. My email address is trackdays@lotus7.club. I park my car, I turn the engine off, I leave the car in gear with the handbrake off, and I don't leave the handbrake on or sit with my foot on the brakes, as the brakes will be hot. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to our club track days and introduction to Cadwell Park. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website on www.lotus7.club or email me if you have any questions at trackdays@lotus7.club. And I'd like to thank John Martin for putting this video together.